Phantom is breaking all-time high as we are recording this right now. You can see this candle up here. The wicks are not broken, but the closes are actually broken and we are above those. If we can close like this up here today, this is gonna, it's not just gonna dump down to zero. You understand that, right? You know, it's a bullish sign when you cross the all-time high. That's a bullish sign. So we're gonna see where this is gonna go next, okay? Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. And before we start, I gotta shield the Patreon a little bit, you know, because right now the alt season is gonna kick in, you know, all out of altcoins are gonna pump and stuff like that, you know. Bitcoin looks like it is very bullish right now. I have some small pullback, you know, that we are expecting, but you know, the alt season is gonna kick in, and when alt kicks in, you know, we gotta know what's good, what's bad, you know, what kind of altcoins are, you know, good buys and not buys. If that's your thing, check out the Patreon. That said, guys, Phantom right now, I think there was some a rumor or some news about something happening somewhere about Phantom. I'm not quite into Phantom, you know, fundamental stuff like that, so I'm not quite sure what's happening, but something's happening, you know. People are saying that's the reason it's pumping, but the way I see it, the reason we are pumping, you know, it's because, you know, we got support, we, you know, blasted through the resistance, you know, bullishness kicks in, you know, it looks good. So what's happening, guys? What's happening? Is this gonna continue? Because I just saw somebody in the Telegram chat, on the Telegram chat, saying that Phantom blowing up. Wish I bought. But it's not too late. It's not too late. Not financial advice, of course, but it's not too late. I mean, it's not like you are buying up here, you know. It's not like you buy off some kind of fire levels or whatever, right? So let's see what's happening here and how this is gonna work out. Let's remove this line. So where is the bullishness? Why is this so bullish right now? This is the daily time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. You can see also on the weekly time frame that we are, did we get? Yes, of course. So on the weekly time frame we got the big red candle down here, right, with a big wick all the way down here at some 0.9, and then we bought everything up. Not only that, on the weekly candle, and this is not just Phantom, this is a lot of other altcoins, we did this over here. Do you know what this is? This is a bullish engulfing candle, and this shows bullishness, right? And we like bullishness because it's a lot bigger than this candle. So entirety of this candle like eats the previous candle, right? Eats previous. And we like that. That shows bullishness in the market. And when we did that, we got a new all-time high, and right now we are pushing that new all-time high even higher up. All right, this week we are pumping crazy numbers. You can see here it going a little bit more up, so it does looks nice. So on the weekly time frame we see that we went down to the 10 moving average, and right now pumping, so it looks set up, you know, for a big move towards the upside. And I think this is just just something like this up here. You know, this is the first move and this is the second move. So this is a first move, and right now we're going for the second move. So I don't know how high this second move is going to come, but it does look very nice indeed. It is juicy. It is juicy. So that said, let's not say juicy anymore. That said, let's see down here what's happening and why we are actually bullish on the daily time frame. So first I'm gonna explain you. I'm gonna explain you where the bullishness comes in. Right? You can see here these stops up here. These stops up here. These stops up here. This is some kind of benchmark for when we become bullish, and we become bullish here because we broke that and then right down again. But this is nice. This is nice because this shows bullishness, because we create a high and a higher high up here. Even though it's just tiny, a little higher high, it's enough. But then you must ask, yeah, but why did we go back down there? We went back to retest the support. I'm gonna show you the support. So we made a bullish move up here, went to retest the support, and once the support was confirmed, we are pumping. That's why you are pumping. Like, that's why you're pumping, because we are bullish. We are showing bullish signs, and we are going higher, guys. We are going higher, and everything looks nice. So where is the support coming in? Down here at the 10 and 20 moving average. You can see here 10 and 20 moving average. That's the support, and that's the support we are actually blasting off of right now. It looks nice. It looks good. We are for the second time breaking this resistance up here. We closed above that, and right now on the daily we are continuing above this last level up here. So everything looks set up. Everything looks nice and dandy. So the question is, how far up can we go? Where are the next resistance? Because once you get into all-time high, price discovery mode, it's really hard to figure out where the next resistance is. And right now I'm gonna show you what I think next resistance might be. First of all, this might be some kind of a what are we gonna call, some kind of a bull flag. This up here, and then you got a bull flag, and then a continuation of the bull flag. So this might be, from the bottom down to the top. If you move it up here somewhere, right? That's around somewhere around 3, give or take. That's one way to do That's one way to do the target, and that's around what's that, from right now to there. There's a 56% more, man, but you know, from the line it's like 60, it's like 100% more move towards the upside, but right now it's like 56%. That's one way to do it. Now let's use the weekly time frame up here, and we'll see that there are this pivot point up here is really important, and you can see here that we are breaking this very important trend line up here. Very important trend line. Now where this trend line should be, maybe something like this up here, maybe something like this. It shouldn't be like this up here. Maybe that's the trend line we are actually breaking right now. Maybe this is the thing. So there are no actually targets, because usually oftentimes when we are trying to find some kind of targets up here, you know, we are using these trend lines to find some kind of tops and stuff like that. But right now it is hard to argue that this is going to be some kind of top. Right now we are looking actually to break this on the upside and continue towards the upside. So this is actually acting as a resistance. So that's why we are sitting up here. But if we are gonna break that on the upside, it's gonna be 3. So I'm looking at 3 to be some kind of target, give or take. This you can move it a little bit up, a little bit down. Let's say 3, since it's nice to run a number. 3 to be the target for this next move towards the upside. And it does looks very bullish. It does looks very bullish. There are no immediate threats on anything. I don't see any bearish indicator right now. Not on the daily or weekly RSI or MACD. This is the MACD. MACD is bullish cross. RSI sitting at 65. On the weekly we are sitting at 78. Bullish cross up here a long time ago, and right now still pumping. So I think at least at 3 that should be the target for right now. And it does look juicy, it does look good. And you know, Phantom is one of these coins that's always pumping like stupidly hard. I don't know why, but every time it pumps like stupidly hard. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that. So we're gonna keep on following the Bitcoin, Bitcoin Phantom. So you know, be sure to subscribe to the channel and also check out the Patreon if you want to know, you know, good versus bad coins. That said, thanks for stopping by, guys. See you around. Where's the stop button?